Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you. We're looking to Verasity. Um, First of all, the performance here is very good. 0001 to 005. This is nearly, I can say, if we are 5 times from here, and if you take from this to this, you have here 10 times. Yeah, 10 times to this level, and then 5 times. So I would say it's a good crypto. Now we have to look which performance this crypto has. I will compare this with Bitcoin. Let's look if we can see there's something. You see, this is too much for Bitcoin to see something, but we can also look to the other chart. There's a good view. Let's take, yeah, this is too small to see anything, but we can see here Bitcoin goes sideways and the prices of Verasity is very big. But don't worry, we can look to this level here, and you can see if we compare Verasity with Bitcoin at some points. One point is this here. This is very interesting. We look to this area. 22 of March. 22 of March we have here. That is our area. This is finished. Then we go to the next. 22 and 23 April. Okay, I understand this. Um, you see from the Bitcoin price that we will go in this way to the top side. The reason why we will go to the top side is that we have here the situation that our wave is ending here, and this is a good possibility to get in, yeah, because here we will go in this way to the top side. This is the left shoulder head and the right shoulder formation, and if we look to this here, then we can recognize this is our left shoulder. That is our left shoulder. The left shoulder shows to the top side, and that means we will go in this way to the top side. If you look, we have here the testing of this line 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Price will fall, and if you compare this with Bitcoin, then we have theoretically a chance to go to the top side. Yeah, let's look. We have here also support, and important is really this year how much we will go to the top side, because this decides in which area we will fall. Yeah, I think if this to top, then we will fall at this levels back. Yeah, to the top side, go back, and we will get something like that. I think I hope you can understand this. This decides how much we will fall to the downside. Yeah, if we go here more to the top side, then this will go also to the top side. So please check this here. If we go here to more to the top side here, something like that, then we have a good possibility that we will not see such fall to the downside. I think my personal opinion is we will go here a little bit to the top side, because if you look to Bitcoin price, we have a little bit power to go to the top side, something like that. Yeah, to 58,000, 56,000. And if this happened, then we will see that. Then I would say then we are not needed to fall, and that means we have here higher lows. So we can say, okay, this is a support line. So if this happened, then we have here left shoulder head and the right shoulder. And that means price will go to the top side. Yeah, we have here the head, and then we will build this here. And you see, we have here, let's look, we have our head. Then the falling is happened, Then we prepare us to the top side that we have in this line. So then we break here to the top side, and it makes sense because if you look to this chart, then you can see 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, the 4th time will break out to the top side. And if you compare more with Bitcoin, then you can see that we will stay here at these levels and go to the top side. Stay here at these levels. And go to the top side. If you imagine what kind of pattern is this? We have a left shoulder head and the right shoulder. Now I think we have the bull market until August or end of year. Yeah? So imagine how much we have here time to go to the top side. I want to show you also the SI, that you understand that this formation here begins of beginning of January, and this formation, the duration is nearly 4 months. Yeah? You can see if this same happened here from here August to July, August, from April to August, then these are also 4 months. So think about this. In 4 months, we're going here from 001 to 005. Yeah? 15 times or 20 times to the top side. Imagine what happens here. If you go 10 times to the top side, then we are at 30 cents. That means we have to go to 30 cents here to the top side. So something like that made for us. But to get here clear answer, I would make something like that. Then we can say, okay, we wait, we expected that the price will go to in the August, yeah. We have here the timeline August. 4 months here, let's look. That was the old from January to April. These are, we can say 4 months. And from April to August is also for 4 months. Yeah. And if you take this and go to August, then you can see this is the time, the trend line to the top side, and you can see we have the power to, let's look, to 20 cent, yeah, theoretically, and we have this power, and you see in which area I draw here to 15 cent. I'm a conservative predictor. If I say 15 cent, then the price will go a little bit to the top side. Yeah, I would say again 15 cent. If we reach 50 cent, then we have to make a new video to look in which direction we can go. But I think we stay here at 15 cent, and let's look if we come here in this area, then new prediction is uh, needed. Yeah. So I think this formation will happen. Uh, I wait for this formation, and I think this formation make also sense. Have a nice day.